What is good, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Right now I am about to put a heat sleeve over this because it's sitting next to the wastegate and heating up. As you can see, this is basically getting burnt. So I got a heat sleeve, about to put it on here. I am literally at an underground garage right now because I don't have a garage and outside is brick. It's literally 16 degrees outside. So literally about to do this, and then you might catch me in like, and then so I'm about to just do this real quick. Just put the heat sleeve on. I literally got this from AutoZone. You know what's crazy too? So I ordered one for cheaper. It was like 10 bucks on Amazon, right? And Amazon sent the package in today, and I got the package and there was nothing inside the damn bag. They got me for my 10 bucks. And I ended up going to AutoZone. AutoZone had this for like 40 bucks. It was like 40, 50 bucks, which cost more, but I had to get it because if this burns, then I might have the risk of catching the car on fire or just have an oil leak that I don't want. So we don't want either one of those. So we just got the wrap, called it, about to throw it back on right now. So I got the oil drain back on. You can see it right here. This is literally how close it is to the fucking turbo. I mean, to the wastegate. Yeah, I literally have to take the turbo off just to put it back on because of the angle and all that stuff. But I'm basically done. I'm about to pack it up and go to the crib. I think on Friday it's supposed to snow, so if it snows we're probably gonna go street drifting again. So, or snow drifting I should say. So I'll catch you guys on Friday. Getting my car washed by somebody else for the first time instead of me. I didn't even show you guys what the outside looks like, but just know it's terrible. Like there's salt everywhere. So I'm letting them do it. It's too cold outside and my hose is frozen in front of my crib. So that is the reason. Yeah, it was definitely worth it to get someone else to wash it. Oh. It is the next day. I ordered a blower motor resistor because mine's only works on the fourth one. Don't mind the noise, that's the blower motor. I'm gonna have to change that too. Probably do that later on. So yeah, it only works on the fourth one. It's literally easy to change. You just go underneath by the gas pedal and swap it out. It's like right underneath the dash. But yeah, I'm about to go under there, swap it out, and then hopefully it'll work on all of these right here. So I just got the old one out. All I had to do was unplug it and just pull, and it came out. This is old one, new one. As you can tell, old one is basically burnt. It looks cooked. So I'm about to toss a new one in and then test it. All right, the new one is plugged in. Let's see what happens. Oh shit. Looks like it works. Now I just have to change the blow motor. Yeah, that's sick. We're getting closer. I need heat. I need my heat to work. As you can see, there's literally ice on the ground, and I usually just don't have this on because it makes the sound. So I'm gonna fix the blow motor later on, and then I think I should be good after that. So this is my blow motor, and I'm guessing this is why it makes the sound it makes, because of this. It's like the motor's getting stuck or like seized or something. So I'm about to take it out and swap it out for the other one that I have and hope everything works well. So yeah, this is what my car was looking like before it got washed, and obviously it is back to it again. All right, so I just left AutoZone. As you guys can see it, I had to drive all the way to Norwalk just to get a cabin air filter because that was the only AutoZone that had it. Can you believe that? That's crazy. But yeah, put the new blower motor in. Man, so I don't know if you guys remember, but like a couple months back I had taken out the I had taken out the old cabin air filter and it was cooked. I had mad leaves and shit in there. I'll insert the clip right now. But yeah, we got a new cabin air filter. I'm about to toss it in and AO on that. But I'm about to put the cabin air filter in and then it should be valid. So I'll catch you guys when I put it in. So I just realized I put the turbo on and I didn't give you guys any pulls. So I got you guys. That's what the new turbo sounds like. I am going to change the blow-off valve, so I'm not sure if it's going to sound like that forever, but we'll see what happens when I change the blow-off valve. So I put the air filter in, right? And then I was like, let me go wash the salt off the hand car wash. Look at this. Fucking frozen. There's some fucking ice box in there. Yo. I don't even know why I did this. Look at this. This should have been the sign for me. Well, fuck it. I wanted to get the salt off the car anyway. So I guess frozen water isn't that bad. Oh my god, this fucking brick and my hands is ice. Oh man, but yeah, we got heat, so the job's done. Can't lie to you. I think in the near future I'm gonna get door panels soon. Maybe 2 weeks from now, I'm not too sure yet, but door panels are coming. I'm gonna change the eBay blow-off valve and get a tile blow-off valve, and I think that'll be it. And then after that, I should be ready for the dyno. I'm still slacking on installing my ethanol sensor and my mag port, but that's like gonna come soon. Like that's not like, I'm not really rushing to do that because it's easy. So whenever I schedule a dyno, that's when I'll just do that like the day before or something. But yeah, I think this is the end of the vlog. I'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Peace.